Hey you guys, it's me, Ashley, and today is going to be another Mask Mania. I literally just woke up. It is like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I was just tired, you guys. I had every intention on filming the mask video, and I wanted to test out the new foundation by NARS, and I wanted to do a get ready with me. I wanted to do like 4 videos today, and I got home from bringing my daughters to school. I'm like, I'm just gonna take an hour nap. I set my alarm for 9 o'clock, and then by the time I actually opened my eyes, it was noon. So I guess my body decided that I wasn't filming a lot of videos today, and it sucks because today's like the only day that I've had off in over a week now. So hopefully I'll be able to get it together tomorrow and film a video before work. So, anyways, my hair, my mane looks a little crazy, so I'm going to go ahead and put that up. But before that, I recently invested / bought these really cute, really popular little shake and shots, and I'm so excited to try them. I've been using this knockout treatment by Tarte. It's the Knockout Tingling Treatment. It's formulated to exfoliate, balance, and minimize the appearance of pores. It works. I feel like it works anyway. My pores definitely look tighter and smaller. This stuff burns. Like, it literally burns. And I've been only using it once or twice a week, but this week I decided to use it 3 times just to see. And my face almost feels sore. Like, the skin on my face feels sore. It doesn't hurt to touch or anything, but I can just kind of feel the soreness in my face. So I'm thinking that I'm going to use the hydrating mask, which I probably would have used anyway because I'm all about hydration in my face. It says instant hydration boost, shake and shot, rubber hydro mask. My kids think this looks so creepy, and my husband was like, what is that? I didn't realize that it was like a baby's face. Like, they look so weird. So weird. I don't know. It's a cool, like, little shaky cup thing, but the top looks really strange. So, if you guys want to see me try the rubber hydro mask, shake and shot, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to put my mane out of my face and away from my face. You guys, look at my eyelids. I got the new Jeffree Star Lovesick palette, and it says, like, not to use it on the eye because of the ingredients in it. They make it vegan so they could make the colors. That's what I learned off his video. And he said it would stain your eyes and stuff and brushes. It definitely does. Like, my eyes are pink. My brushes are pink. And these are clean, you guys. Like, I used shampoo. I used daily brush cleaner. I don't know what to do. I mean, it's not like I don't get any color payoff or anything, but it just kind of makes me feel awkward, like trying to use a brush that already has color on it, because I never do that. I always clean my brushes between every time I use them, so it's really weird to me. So let's get this mane out of my face. I feel like I look like I have pink eye though, so it's a little awkward. I didn't even realize my eyelids were stained until about 15 minutes ago when I was looking at them. So the directions say open and remove the spatula from the lid. Combine step 1, super booster, and step 2, liquid ampoule, I don't know, in the cup. Close the lid, cover the hole with your finger, and shake well until fully mixed. Using the spatula, apply an even layer over the face within 2 to 3 minutes, avoiding the eyes and mouth. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Start from the edges, gently peel the mask. Remove any excess with a damp cloth or pad. Follow your skincare routine. Must be applied within 2 to 3 minutes after mixing step 1 and step 2. So it's a peel off mask. I hope it doesn't like further hurt my face. I'm going to use this clarifying lotion by Clinique. I don't drink enough water, and I can admit that. I really need to fix that about myself. Sometimes I'll be really conscious of it and try to drink as much water as I can in a day, and then sometimes I just don't think about it at all. You guys, it is February and it is 80 degrees outside. What in the world is happening to our lives? Okay, so we're going to pop this open. There's the little spatula. So it's packaged like this. 2 little packs. Okay, this is step 1. This is the Super Booster. So I'm just gonna peel it from that little bitty area. I can't tell. I think this is liquid, but it's kind of hard to tell for sure. It's a lot thicker than the other step. I'm just gonna roll this down and squeeze the step 1 into the cup, I think. Okay, there we go. That smells really good. It smells almost like a swimming pool, like sunscreen or something. Okay, so same with this one, but this one is a lot more watery. I have to be super careful pouring this one out, I can tell. We're gonna put the lid back on, okay, and it says cover the hole and shake until fully mixed. It's like coming out of the little baby's mouth. Oh, look. Alright, so it says to take the spatula and to apply it within 2 or 3 minutes of mixing. So I'm going to attempt to do that. I'm going to try to get what's in the lid out. Oh, wow. I can definitely see why it says to do this quickly because it's thickening as time goes by. I'm just gonna use my fingers. This is ridiculous. It smells really good. It feels really soothing so far, but the consistency of it makes it really difficult to get like a smooth, even coverage. It's definitely thickening a lot, so I can definitely understand why they say to put it on quickly. Okay, so it's telling me to wait 15 to 20 minutes. It's 1:22 p.m., so we will be back in about 15 to 20 minutes to see how it is, if it's dry or anything. Just trying to even it out. I have a feeling that the consistency of this is going to make it hard for it to dry evenly because it was definitely difficult to get a even layer across my face, but we'll see how that goes. It's cooling. It feels really, really good on my skin right now. I'm really enjoying this. Okay, you guys, so it's been, I think, 20 minutes. I think it is 1:44. I don't remember what time I showed it to you guys. When I left, I started watching videos, and I just kind of got sidetracked, so I think that it's been about 20 minutes. So I opened my mouth like this, and it kind of started to peel up a little. It still feels like it would be wet, but it's not like, it's not, but it gives my hands like that moisture feeling. You can see that it dried where I didn't put a thick layer. It's clear, so it feels really, really cool. I was thinking that it was going to dry down like other peel masks and be like just a dry matte finish, but it's still super shiny. It just feels really good. It feels good on the outside and on the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and peel it. Like, look at that. It's super jelly-y. I like it. Feels weird. It's not like sturdy or anything. It's very, very jello-y in consistency. It didn't stick to my face or anything. Like, it's not difficult or pulling at any of my hair or anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go get as much of this off as I can, these little excess pieces, and I will be back. But so far, my face feels so smooth. Like, it feels so good. Okay, so it's not hard to get off of my skin. It is kind of sticking to my hair, and not that it's like pulling my hair out or anything. It's just really hard to grab a hold of to get out. That's no big deal. I'll just brush it out with a soft bristle brush, and then it'll come out. So my face feels really good. Like, it feels nice and cool and soothed. I really enjoy this mask a lot. I like the concept. And also, I thought that it wasn't going to dry like consistently throughout. but it doesn't technically dry at all. It just kind of solidifies and just stays on your skin. I like that because it comes off really gently and easily. I still feel like I got really good effects from it. Like, I don't have a lot of skin issues to begin with, thankfully. Knock on wood, that doesn't ever come back and haunt me, but my face feels really good. Like, sometimes I suffer with a little bit of texture and my own insecurity. I feel like I have like large pores sometimes, but I really don't have a lot of issues unless I pack on too much powder. But for right now, like, I feel like my skin looks really good. My pores are almost invisible, so I really love this mask. That's not really a good thing though, because it's $12. Oh, this is difficult. I don't want to say that it's worth it because I feel like you could probably, I don't know though. I haven't found another mask that's anything like this one. I really enjoyed this one a lot. It smells good. It just feels like super soothing all around, between the way it feels on my skin, the smell, the way it feels when I touch it. Like, I just really enjoyed the whole process of this mask. It is a little messy, but it's still like, it's a fun concept. You know what I mean? I really enjoyed it a lot, you guys. So, I don't know. $12 for one mask. That could get super expensive super quick though. So I probably won't be using these like really consistently, but on days that I do feel like my skin is super dry, I feel like this would be a really good remedy. I really enjoyed this mask a lot. I just don't know if I can justify the price of it. Maybe once a month I could justify the price, but if you suffer from really super dry skin and you need like something all the time, I don't know. It's really good though. I'm so torn. I don't want to say I love it and I'm going to redo this mask all the time because it's so expensive. I really love it, you guys. I really do. It's a really good one. I don't know if I've had this much fun from a mask in a long time and also have a really good experience. I can't wait to try the other two and see how those go. I'll definitely be popping on here to try those with you guys, so look out for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Also, don't forget to check out my other Mask Mania videos because you want to see my thoughts on all the masks that I try, which is, I do try a lot of masks. I love skincare. I love masks. So don't forget to go ahead and check out all of those. It'll be linked up in the cards. It'll also, hopefully, if I don't forget, be linked down below. What do you guys think? Have you tried this mask? Do you think $12 is worth it for one mask? I think it might be, but it's just not something I could do all the time, you know? Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I would super highly appreciate it. I feel like I need to like shake my hair. It's so weird right now. Anyway. I'm so dumb. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel with your notifications on so you don't miss anything from me in the future. I have all my social medias linked down below. Go ahead and follow me on those. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.